हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ नायका हॉल शेयर करने वाली हूँ। आई हैव शॉप्ड a lot from Nykaa this time, and I'm literally doing a Nykaa haul for I think almost 2 or 3 months now because I am not really shopping too much at Nykaa these days. My perfume obsession has gone to another level. So every month I'm like accumulating more and new perfumes for you guys, and I'm reviewing it. Not just for you guys, I also love collecting perfumes. So that has become my primary shopping genre. So after a long time, I shopped at Nykaa and I was very excited to do this video because it's been so long. So let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. नायका बॉक्स इस बार इतना बड़ा आया है, सारे आइटम्स एक बार में एक बॉक्स में ही कंसोलिडेट होकर आए. सो आई रियली लाइक दैट. एंड नन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स वर पैकेज्ड इन बबल रैप. They were all wrapped with paper wrapping, so I really like that because I had a lot of complaints with Nykaa when it came to packaging. So now let me share what all I've got. So this time I have majorly purchased makeup products just because there was some good deals on makeup and I was running out of a couple of makeup items. So I mostly purchased that. The first one that I got is this makeup wipe from Color Bar. Now this one is called On The Go Makeup Remover Wipe. This is how it looks like. I basically got this because I have to travel soon. Like next month I'm traveling. So when I'm traveling, I always prefer taking the kind of this wet wipe thingy with me because it's just fuss free and there is no spillage and I don't have to carry extra cotton pads and stuff like that. Only for traveling purposes I go and purchase this wet wipe kind of makeup remover. Otherwise when I'm at home I always use like the products which are more better, like biodegradable and stuff like that, but only for traveling I really need something like this which is fuss free. So this one is the first product. Next is again from Color Bar and this one is Ultimate Nail Enamel Remover. This is acetone free in the variant dark chocolate. Now if you regularly have been following me, you know for years and years this is the one that I use to remove my nail paint, and this is very effective. It is a dip and twist kind of a makeup remover. It's sealed right now, but mostly it has a sponge inside with a hole. You just put your finger in, a dip and twist, and it gets cleaned up. I find this again a very fuss-free product. This is something that I can travel with as well. I love this product so much. It is so effective, be it glitter nails, be it like glitter, sparkly, any kind of nail work that you've done, this gets rid of it. And it is hassle-free. So I love this product and I don't know how many times I've repurchased and I keep going back to this one only. Since I started with Color Bar, I have a couple of more Color Bar items, so I'm just going to get done with these. So the first one that I have is Color Bar Made for Magic. This is Intensely Rich Kajal. This is all that, like long lasting, smudge proof, transfer proof, all of that. So this is the kajal basically, and I kind of liked it because the pricing was right. It's for around 199 rupees and good amount of product, good packaging. So I went for it, and this is the one that I kind of got free with my purchase. Nykaa was running some offer. So this one is Hugs and Kisses. Again, this is Everlasting Rich Kajal. I really don't know what is the difference between the two kajals, but I am someone who uses kajal very regularly, almost on the daily basis I can say. So I kind of like applying kajal a lot, so I keep experimenting. Till now I have seen that Maybelline kajals work really well for me in terms of they don't make my eyes watery. I don't get that headache or I don't get that pressure on my eyes when I put Maybelline kajals. So I'm yet to try these two and see, and I'm praying that they don't react with my eyes. My eyes start turning red and they get very sensitive and watery if some kajal doesn't suit me and it gives me immense headache. Just hope these two don't do that. Otherwise, I'll have to go back to the Maybelline kajals. Then I got this product and I saw the packaging of this and I really wanted to invest in this. Color Bar makes one of the best makeup products. There is no denial to it. Their kajal, their their makeup remover, their nail paint remover, their lipsticks, all are of very high end quality, and to a point that I have purchased a lot of MAC lipsticks and all of that. If I compare Color Bar lipstick to MAC lipstick, I gravitate towards Color Bar because it's more long lasting on me. Anyways, this is the one which has this casting with it and refill, this refill mechanism. So I wanted to buy one of this so that I have the bullet, and then whenever I want to change the shade I can buy the refills. So that was the whole point. This is Take Me As I Am, a vegan matte lipstick, and this comes in this casing and refill mechanism. This is how it opens up. This is the case, this is the refill mechanism out there, and the shade that I got is called as Cherry Bomb 006. So this is how the refill thing is. Okay, this is the casing for it, which is a magnetic thing, and this is the one which is like the refill. So it opens up like this, and this is how the lipstick looks like. Okay, so I really like the whole concept of this. I'm just going to put this now and show you. So this is supposed to fill in here. Yeah, so this got locked inside here, and now you just have to remove the cap, and so my lipstick is ready to be used. I really like this concept. Now I just have to, every time that I want to change the shade, I just have to buy a refill, and the refill is separately like for 300 rupees. So that is very kind of like easy on the pocket rather than purchasing this whole thing. This itself, the whole mechanism is for around 1200. So you just have to purchase this once, and then you just have to purchase the refill once. So this is the Cherry Bomb, a very Cherry Bomb. I was expecting it to be more kind of like a reddish color, and on the Nykaa website also the color seemed very cherry like, but when I bought it, it's like somewhere near the fuchsia pink kind of a color shade. So not a fan of the shade. I don't really gravitate towards a shade like these. So yeah, the shade is a meh. I may have to go and buy another refill for this one, but it's a lot of product to finish, right? I probably have to use it as a blush, also as a lipstick and blush to kind of finish it, but I really like the whole mechanism. Then I got this Everlasting Matte Lipstick from Color Bar, and this one is in the shade of Preppy Red, that is 020 shade, and this has a different packaging. This is how the lipstick looks like, and this one is kind of like a orange toned red. This is how the shade is. I'm just going to swatch this one as well. So this is how this color is. Kind of is a nice everyday sort of a color. I can easily wear this to office and stuff. And this is not a cool tone. This is like a warm toned red. Moving on to the next brand, I got some products from Nykaa. I got 2 of their brow products, and this is Oh My Brow. This is how the product looks like. This one is eyebrow mascara. So this kind of has a wand. So this is how the product looks like, and you just have to open this and use this wand to kind of like settle your brows. Till now I haven't tried it. This is my first experience trying a brow mascara, so I am not very sure of how to even use this because this is like new product for me. And then I got this Brown Girl. This one is a brow definer. This is what I usually use. This is in the shade Bewitched Chestnut. This is what I usually go for. So it has like spoolie on one side and then this kind of a pencil on one side. This is what I've used today. The shade matches really well for my brows. Overall, I'm very satisfied and happy with the way this is making my brows look. Both these products from Nykaa, I think they are like one of the hit products that Nykaa has done, and many people rave about this, talk about this, and they kind of like are obsessed with these products. So this is my first experience using these. Really excited and already tried this one and very happy with the way my brows are looking today. I got this free. This is from Nykaa. This is their prep makeup face primer. I used this today and I really liked it. So the consistency is very similar to like a silicone based consistency. This is how it looks like. I with camera it's not catching, but it's kind of like a gel Vaseline sort of a consistency. Works really well on like blurring out my skin, and the makeup sits really well after I applied this primer. So I like this so much, and to an extent that I want to like consider purchasing the full bottle of this one, like the full tube of this one. I like it to that extent, so I found this product also to be very good. And these kind of freebies I really like, because you kind of get an idea of what the product is and you can take a decision whether you want to invest in the full product or not. So I really like this. Then from Lakme, I just got one mascara. This one is Iconic Curling Mascara, Smart Curl Brush and Intense Black Finish. This is how the product looks like. This is my first time trying a Lakme mascara. I usually go for Lakme lipsticks. Lakme lipsticks are something that I find the quality to be really great. Rest of the Lakme products I haven't really explored too much. Only some compacts and lipsticks are what I've tried from Lakme, and they are good so far. This is my first experience using their mascara. Their kajal is also good. So I really am looking forward of using this one, and I'll see if this compares to Maybelline or not, because Maybelline and L'Oreal, they are doing such amazing job with mascaras that I don't feel like buying anything else than that. ये थोड़ा सस्ता था as compared to Maybelline and others. So just for the price, I went for this one. Let's see how it works. Continuing with some more makeup, I have these from Kiro. Now, I am a huge fan of Kiro lipsticks again. Like, Kiro lipsticks are amazing. After I tried some of their lipsticks, especially Nutmeg Nude, the liquid lipstick is one of my favorite ones to use. Like, whenever I go to office, that's the one that I pick up and that's the one that I go for. It's my everyday go-to nude shade, which has like a mixture of brown and peach tones to it. Absolutely love this one, and that was the reason that I picked up 4 items from Kiro this time. First one, which I was very excited to try, is PH Play Lip and Cheek Oil. This is how the outer packaging looks like. So this is how the product looks like. This has this oil consistency to it, and once the wand is super thick, as you can see, and you just have to use this as an oil, and after some time this kind of takes your pH level and all of that, and it gets like pinkier shade. Looks nice, is not very long lasting on me. I've observed that it stays for around 2 hours and then it just becomes normal for me. So I do have to reapply every 2 hours. So I don't know if it is supposed to be only these many hours. I was expecting it to be long lasting, but it isn't. Stays for around 2-3 hours, but very comfortable on the lips, very hydrating, feels very feathery light, very moisturizing. I love the formula. So I actually don't mind applying it every 2 hours, because I just love how it kind of makes my lips very plump, very hydrated, and I feel very beautiful when I apply that. So I kind of like it. Now, the next shade that I am wearing today is this one. This is in the shade of Raspberry Compote 03, and this is their lip and cheek tint. Okay, absolutely phenomenal. Like this, I have topped up today. Like, I've topped up my lipstick with this one, and I am in love. Like, this shade, oh my god, this shade is so good. This is the Mauvey Raspberry Pink shade, which has warm undertones to it. I absolutely love this one. I really wish that color bar was this shade. You can see it's so Gentak pink. This is like a cool tone pink, and this is the warm pink, which has like brown undertones to it. Absolutely love this one. This is a beautiful formula. It's kind of like a, it's kind of like a liquidy, jelly, moussey formula that just so is lightweight, it's hydrating, it's moisturizing on the lips. It blends like a dream. Like, when I use it on my cheeks, I just had to do this and I was sorted. Like, it just blends beautifully. I am in love with Kiro as a brand. Like, I want to explore so much more, like so many shades. I just want to explore Kiro more, because I feel that this brand has a lot of potential. This one is Kiro 4 Play. My god, the internet went crazy when they released this one, because this comes in 2 shades, and one shade has so many shades in it, and the one that I got is called as Ultimate Quad. This one is your nude color. This is the brown nude color that literally, this is my go-to. Like, The shades are beautiful, they are so comfortable. I'm running out of space on my hands, but wow, like these are the perfect nudes for me on everyday basis. This is what I crave for when I go to office. This is what I want to wear it. I don't want my shades to be very tart, I don't want them to be very gaudy. This is everything that I need in my nude lipstick collection. You see the kind of shades these are. Like, oh wow, like I have to appreciate Kiro for this. I mean, just look at the story, like look at the palette. Look at the nudes palette here. You are just sorted with this one. It is so comfortable on the lips. It stays put throughout the day. Doesn't move, doesn't budge. The best part is it survives lunch. So I don't have to go and reapply it again and again. From the center, slightly it gets off if you are eating too much of oily food. But then with a touch up, everything is settled back. It doesn't give me that butthole situation on my lips, which I like. That this one is good in quality and sticks on my lips well enough to not give me an embarrassing moment. This is my favorite from this haul. And I wanted to purchase the pink palette also in this one. Unfortunately, it was out of stock. Otherwise, I would have went for that one as well. In fact, next time when it comes in stock, I'm going to purchase this. I know for sure I want it. So I didn't realize that I was on a kajal rampage and I got one more kajal. Seriously, I have 3 new kajals now. This one is for 800 rupees. I found this to be slightly expensive from Kiro. But again, this one was intense black, lightweight, easy glide, high precision, long wear, transfer and smudge proof. A lot of claims. So I thought I would try this one. I've already tried it once on my eyes and it did not irritate my eyes. This is how jet black it is. Found the quality to be good. So I thought, okay, it's an investment. Let me not think too much about it. So I like it and I kind of feel that it is very high-end sort of performing kajal. Overall, I am so happy with the Kiro overall brand that I think I am very excited to try other shades and other things that they have. I'm more excited about Kiro than all the other brands, as you can see clearly. Okay, so I'm left with 3 more products and those are not makeup related. So this one is from Gillette Venus. This is the shaving razor basically, which comes with 1 handle and 3 cartridges. This is how the product looks like and this is detachable and this cartridge you can replace. It comes with 3 of them. I've been using this product since years now and I've really had good experience with this. So I don't want to go and experiment with other razors out there because I'm comfortable using this one. So this is like one of the hygiene products that I got. Other product is from The Ordinary. This is glycolic acid 7% toning solution. Now I am going to use this for my underarms because my underarms have been kind of becoming a little darkened than what they were earlier. So I just felt that I wanted to include something to help my underarms clear up a little bit. So this jumbo bottle comes for around 1200 and I got a 10% off on this. So I've heard very good things about this formula, that this is a nice exfoliator and this kind of people use this on their scalp. They use it on their lips to reduce the pigmentation. They use it in their underarms. They use it on their neck if they have very heavy pigmentation in this area. Wherever, basically elbows. So wherever you have heavy pigmentation, I have seen YouTubers recommending this. So I really wanted to give this a try. You just have to be very regular with using this to see the effects. And I'm willing to give it a try. So that's the reason that I've purchased this one. The last product, not so interesting one, is from Bodywise and this one is again 4% AHA BHA. This is underarm roll-on. So this is how it looks like. Now again I got an AHA BHA product because again I already told you the reason, right? So I'm seeing some pigmentation on my underarms and I just want something, a roll-on deodorant which does not further increase that pigmentation. So I'm moving towards something which is skin safe and I'm hoping that this will help me out with reducing the pigmentation. So that brings us to the end of the Nykaa haul and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Lots of lipsticks and lots of suggestions and lots of recommendations here. So I hope that this was kind of helpful, this was kind of entertaining, and you liked it because I'm doing it after a long time. I enjoyed shooting this. I hope that you enjoyed it too. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.